Let's do the vertical zone.
Pushkar, your virtual coach here in the cloud. The camera's on, and I'm ready whenever you are.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's kick off this personal jump session. Quick dip, explode straight up, and land nice and soft. Pause for jump. Let's just keep your chest up and those knees aligned a little more in the landing. Fantastic. That landing was way more balanced. And get what? You just earned yourself the vertical boost badge.
We got the badge.
What you just saw was AI movie, your smart personalized biomechanics coach that runs on every single of the athlete's devices, from desktop all the way to the smartwatches. And this idea of a smart connected system, it actually started before movie. Last semester, our team worked on building the Course Stroke Pro in collaboration with pharmacists and clinicians from Ochsner Health report and ULM for the stroke care management. Then, at the time, while building the Course Stroke Pro, we realized that technology gap is costing people with lives and injuries. And we started doing research to find the next big problem. And we absolutely find a shocking number. 400,000. And that's how many ACL reconstruction surgeries occur in the United States every single year, according to the National Institutes of Health. We knew we had to fix this. So we went to the ULM field and talked to the coaches to find the real problem. And we found that problem is not due to lack of science or lack of just ACL prevention tool. The problem is app juggle. The problem is inconsistency. The problem is lack of compliance with the rules that they have made. So just imagine, act like a coach. You are using multiple apps, Teams chat for chatting with your players, healthcare, like a lot of things going on. And we don't want to add another ACL prevention app. Because be practical in the real world, it won't work. Nobody is going to use just for the ACL prevention. So we came up with this solution to build all-in-one smart gamified solution. Now what we call MoveSafe. This is the connected system which connects your athletes, player, and coach all in one place. Here's the magic. It's built upon the 6 proven principles of ACL prevention program, including age, biometrics, feedback, and other. And they are baked into the training that our athletes already do. So they don't have to focus on the prevention, they just do their training. So what about the compliance? Well, we have made our app more addictive. Our AI movie, it will automatically gives you the real-time feedback and converts your safeable movement into streak, badges, and certification, which makes it fun for the player, just like Duolingo. So what if an injury occurs? Well, our MoveSafe converts into entire recovery platform, which has the telemedicine assist and also AI readiness checker. So let's see what we have built and how it works, how those components work. So first, let's see the coach workflow. First, our coach will create a team and then they will add the player, which will lead them to a visual field planner where they can add other coaches if they have any, like the assistant coaches, and they all can work together to plan for a player. After that, our movie AI will auto-assign the personalized training plan for each player based on their specific position and based on their past injury health history. After that, coach can come to the dashboard and see all the results of the player's individual status, including the point, how many times they have spent on the training, and everything. And also comes with the AI Insight, which has all the information of the individual player and as a whole, which makes it easier to track for the coach. This is the place where actual magic happens, the player's interface. We actually dominate here. Why do we dominate? because of the gamified experience, which contains components like XP, which contains components like badges and certification. Why do we dominate? Because of the personalized training, where our buddy AI will match your personalize the training to your individual player based on their history and field position. Why do we dominate? Because of a community connection, where each athlete can connect to the expert, healthcare, and all people in their domain. Why do we dominate? Because of the live AI coaching, where our AI buddy will do the pose tracking, see all the angles, everything is going right or not, and then gives you feedback. My bad, not the feedback, constructive feedback. Now let's see the player's journey, how it goes for the player. First, you will select your buddy, AI buddy, what kind of voice you want for your training to get you motivated. And then you will choose it.
Today, we're sharpening landings, keeping those knees lined up. Game on, Jordan. Warm up ready, then we crush some landings.
After you do this, it will ask you to fill a form which contains all the information like age, gender, whether you are male or female, primary sport that you are, dominant side, and any past health history, any injury history that you had earlier, so our AI can create a customized plan for you. Now after that, AI Buddy movie is watching you. It's giving you real-time feedback, as we saw earlier in the demo, right? So it gives you feedback that will help you to improve your performance on each training drills. After that, in the Progress Center, you can see your streaks, you can chat with the AI about your performance on the training, and also there is synthetic preview, where you can create a customized plan according to your goal. For example, for a week, for a month. After that, you can see on the stats and analytics each of your performance for each of your training deals. How well you did, what are the performance that you need to make on everything. And also the courses, where you can see all the courses that you are involved in and your progress on those courses. After that comes the exercise library, which contains all the exercise related to the player, related to the individual player, and that they can do it alongside the AI. After that, the support network, where they can chat with the team coaches, where they can chat with the healthcare, and wellness suite, where they can do pressure relief activities, stress relief activities. And after that comes the coaching marketplace, where they can see all the courses that are provided by the coaches online, so you can be specific and practice on some specific domain. After that, the community, which is basically the forum where you can get your advice from the expert related to your field. You can talk to the coaches from a different team and get real-time feedback from them in the community chat center. So AI cannot do everything on its own. We definitely need healthcare. They are the most important components in our journey. We need them. So let's see how the journey for the healthcare looks like. We try to keep it simple. After they go onto their dashboard, they will see all players in a team, along with each individual score, their fitness score, their insights, all the information related to the player. Everything that AI has captured, and it will give it to the healthcare provider, all those information, so they can track it. Now after that, if our AI flags any high-risk injury alert, it will automatically go to the healthcare provider, so that there is no any guesswork. They can actually see what video clip it alerted. After that, the tele-intervention, if any injury occurs and they want to make sure each player goes onto the field, then they will review the data and launch a telehealth telecall, where they can do all things related to make sure the player goes right onto the football or the soccer or any kind of field. Now, those are what we have built and what are our plans. So we are planning to connect our app with the wearables like the fitness watch, Apple Watch, and also to get the 360-degree view of the field. We are trying to connect it to it. Then expand our model for other injuries like the elbow injuries, fracture, strains, and after that the synthetic engine, where we want to create a simulated environment for coach and players, so they will actually see before going on to the real implementation. So we are a team of 3 students. If you are a healthcare provider, if you are a coach, if you are a leader who believes in our mission, please join us. We need you. Here's my contact information. Please contact to us if you believe this is the product that is going to change and make sure our young athletes go onto the field after being injured. Thank you.